In the mightiest of a dramatic NFL season, one storyline has captured the imagination of football fans across the nation. It is the remarkable transformation of the Miami Dolphins, a team that has been setting the league on fire under the leadership of their head coach, Mike McDaniel, and their franchise quarterback, Tua Tagovailoa. This tale of redemption began in the winter of 2022 when McDaniel, a coach known for his unconventional approach, took the reins of the Dolphins. He sensed that Tagovailoa, once a shining star at Alabama, had been battered by 2 tumultuous years under former coach Brian Flores. Benchings, injuries, losses, and the looming Deshaun Watson trade rumors had shaken Tagovailoa's confidence to its core. In a pivotal moment, McDaniel sat down with his quarterback and asked a simple yet profound question: do you not understand the player you are? It was a question that allowed change the course of Tagovailoa's career and the Dolphins' season. Fast forward to the present, and the Dolphins have become a juggernaut on the field. In a jaw-dropping 70-20 demolition of the Denver Broncos, Tagovailoa and company set records that had not been touched in years. They scored 70 points, the most since 1966, and piled up 726 yards, a feat not seen since 1951. All of this was achieved against a Broncos defense known for its stinginess in the previous season. Tagovailoa's performance was nothing short of spectacular. His 51-yard touchdown pass to Tyreek Hill on his second throw of the game set the tone. He even showcased his flair with a no-look shovel pass for another touchdown. The Dolphins' box score resembled something out of a big Barrow college football game, featuring 2 touchdowns, 3 first downs, and 4 plays of 50 yards or more. The Broncos, on the other hand, were left stunned and embarrassed. Coach Sean Payton called it embarrassing and talked to us